So this video is about A-level biology at Scarborough Sixth Form College. The 5 components we will study in A-level biology are core concepts, biodiversity and physiology, energy for life, the continuity of life, and requirements for life. We start off term 1 with core concepts, and that builds on the topics that you studied at GCSE. These topics cover many of the fundamental ideas that will recur during the course. The importance of cells, the role of enzymes, and how the structure of DNA determines cell functions. Next, we move on to biodiversity and physiology. In the topic on biodiversity, we survey the range of living organisms, their features, and their role in the environment. Then we look at the range of body systems and how they work. We will take an in-depth look at the breathing system, the heart and circulation, the digestive system. In the topic energy for life, we look at how the energy-producing processes of cells, such as respiration and photosynthesis, are important for all life forms. We then look at how the flow of energy is important to all life on Earth. We also look at nutrient cycles, such as the carbon cycle and the nitrogen cycle, and the role of microorganisms in these cycles. Finally, we take a look at the impact of human activities, such as fishing and farming, on ecosystems, and what we can do to maintain biodiversity. Continuity for life looks at how characteristics are passed on from one generation to the next. So we start by looking at the structure and function of reproductive systems, how genes are inherited, and how this leads to variation and ultimately to evolution. We finish this topic with a look at modern applications of genetics, including DNA fingerprinting and genetic screening. Our final component is requirements for life. This component looks at how 3 major body systems work and their importance in humans. So we start by looking at the role of the kidneys and their central role in regulating the body's fluid balance. In the nervous system, we look at nerve structures and how nerve impulses are produced and how they are passed around the body. Finally, we look at the body's immune system and how it is adapted to defend our bodies against disease. A-level biology is examined at the end of year 2. There are 3 exam papers. Each is 2 hours long and each is equally weighted. Each paper will include short answer questions and structured questions, and on each paper there'll be 1 extended question worth 9 marks. Thanks for listening. We look forward to chatting with you at preview and to seeing you in September.